Welcome, today in front of me Sony Xperia Pro-I, and I'll show you how to change lock screen wallpaper on this device. So now I'll show you the currently lock screen wallpaper, and now to change it you should go into the settings application. I'll just change the brightness level here, and now we should go to the appearance section, then just tap to the wallpaper, and here we can select our wallpaper from the live wallpapers, from the photos on our device previously taken or downloaded, for example from the internet, or also from the default wallpapers. So here you can select one from these folders, and for example I'll go with this one. You can see this folder, this wallpaper here. Then just click on the left upper corner to set wallpaper and click to set on lock screen, and now we will check, and as can you see we just successfully changed our lock screen wallpaper. And also we got a second way how we can do that. You just should hold for a while your device screen, and you will see here the wallpapers icon. By the same way we can go into the photos on our device, or just to select one from these available wallpapers. For example, we should go with this one, click to set to the lock screen, and now you can see that we just successfully changed our lock screen wallpaper again. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.